Start this side hustle to make an extra 5K per month, and yes, it's 100% legal and ethical. First, pick a niche. I have just a couple written down here. I'm going to use health and fitness as an example. After you choose your niche, you're going to go ahead and go over to this website called ClickBank, and you're going to create an account. It should only take about 5 minutes. After creating an account, you're going to go down to the affiliate marketplace. You're then going to find the niche you picked and that suits you, and there's tons of different options here. You'll then get a huge list of products you can promote from inside your niche. Here's an example of how much you can earn from selling just one product. Once you find a product you like, you're going to click promote, and it'll give you your own personal affiliate link that you'll earn through. You can then take that link and start promoting it everywhere. You can promote it on social media, websites, or to friends and family. Each sale you make through that link is $170. If you sell just one of these per day, you'll be making an extra $5,100 per month. Comment and follow to figure out how you can turn this into a 6-figure business.